Hey guys, Captain Keith here from MarineMax in Clearwater. Today we're out in the yard. We've got our travel lift here, and this is a 47 Verve up here in the slings. We were asked to talk about the bottom paint and the reasons why you have to have bottom paint. So if you're going to keep your boat in the water, you're going to get growth on it. So here in Florida, salt water and all that stuff, you got barnacles. So when you're going to keep your boat in the water, you're going to have bottom paint on it. But even though you've got paint on here, you're still going to have a diver or somebody come underneath your boat. Probably summertime, probably every 2 or 3 weeks. Wintertime, when the water temperature is cooler, you can get away with a little bit longer gap between it. But they just want to come through and have your diver wipe this down. You got the bottom paint on here, but then you can still get some grass or moss and stuff to adhere to it. Then the barnacles will grow to that. So they'll just take a rag or like a back piece of carpet or something, the carpet backing, and rub that down. It'll keep the paint exposed, and it'll kind of have a new fresh layer of paint out to keep the barnacles growing on it. There's some other things. Hull shield is fairly new to the game, but it actually, you can look them up, but they'll hook to the stringers of the boat, and they put out a pulse or a vibration that'll actually help too. It'll keep the microorganisms and stuff from adhering to the boat. So bottom paint's going to probably last you 1.5 years or so. You're going to want to have it redone. Just make sure you got a diver on it regularly. You want to keep it nice and smooth and clean, no barnacles on it, because that'll definitely affect the performance of your boat. That's about it. So hopefully we'll see you guys out on the water.